Want to boost your Amazon sales? In this video, I'll be sharing some of the lesser known but highly effective strategies for succeeding as an Amazon seller. We'll explore A/B testing for your listings, the impact of Amazon's lightning deals, and the potential of driving external traffic to your listings. But that's not all. We'll also delve into understanding your profit margins using Amazon's FBA Small and Light program, leveraging Amazon's brand analytics, creating a unique brand experience, and staying updated with Amazon's ever-changing landscape. Each of these strategies can take your Amazon business to the next level. So if you're ready to discover these hidden gems, then let's jump into it. Okay, so here are those 8 less commonly mentioned but still valuable tips for selling a product on Amazon. First, you gotta be utilizing A/B testing for your listings. You ever wonder if a different product image or description could drive more sales? With A/B testing, you can find all this information out. This strategy involves creating 2, 3, or 4 versions of your product listing with variations in elements like images, descriptions, or prices. By monitoring which version gets better engagement or sales, you can optimize your listings to resonate with your customers. According to eConsultancy, which is a brand I've never heard of,
I really can't say, but yes.
Companies using this data-driven approach have seen up to a 30% improvement in conversion rate. Next, engage in Amazon's lightning deals. These are flash sales that run for a very limited time on Amazon's deals page, one of the most visited pages on Amazon. Participating can increase your product's visibility, give a short-term boost in sales, and even improve your product's organic ranking. According to a 2017 report by Market Pulse, which I know is like a long time ago and things were way different in 2017, but hear me out. Lightning deals can increase sales by as much as 200%. Now, hopefully you're somewhat profitable at that lightning deal price, but you may not be fully profitable. You may squeak out a profit, but either way, sales velocity could be good when you leverage lightning deals. It may also be a great way to just move some of that stale inventory. Next, leverage external traffic. Amazon is a behemoth, but don't forget there is a world outside of it. Driving external traffic to your Amazon listings from sources like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Google Search are really my favorites, and then also YouTube, huge behemoth in itself, maybe even blogs or email marketing. These platforms can help you reach a much larger audience, and even an audience that may be even warmer than the audience on Amazon. Plus, Amazon's algorithm may reward your listings with higher organic rankings due to the increased traffic and sales. Next, understand your profit margins fully inside and out. While volume is important, understanding your profit margins is crucial. Be aware of all costs associated with your product, including Amazon fees, shipping, and packaging, because pricing your products to ensure profitability is key. I mean, it's long term, right? You can only lose money for so long getting a return on your investment. According to a report by FeedAdvisor, 42% of Amazon sellers make 6 figures in sales, but only by understanding their true profit margins. Next, you gotta be using Amazon FBA Small and Light. If your products are small and lightweight, you might be eligible for Amazon's FBA Small and Light program. This can help you save on fulfillment costs and offer fast shipping to your customers without the high price tag. In fact, FBA Small and Light has helped sellers increase sales by up to 20%. Next, leverage Amazon's brand analytics. If you're a part of Amazon's brand registry, you have access to Amazon brand analytics. If you're not part of Amazon's brand registry, then I highly recommend you become a part of it, because that will allow you to put a video on your listing and also be able to build out an A+ content section. These kind of things will greatly boost up your conversion rate and make your PPC ads perform a whole lot better. This brand analytics tool gives you insights into customer search behavior, market basket analysis, item comparison, and alternative purchase behavior. Using this data can optimize your product listings and marketing strategies. Next, create a unique brand experience. Stand out by creating a unique brand experience. This can include exceptional customer service, high quality packaging, personalized notes, or additional resources for your customers, like back-end things like a free guide or an extended warranty or some kind of free course that they get access to that's in relation to the product and the problem that your product solves. In fact, a report by PwC found that 73% of all people point to customer experience as an important factor in their purchasing decisions. By the way, customer experience can be from the point that they're shopping and actually making that purchase on the platform to when they're unboxing and actually setting up and using and installing the product. Lastly, stay updated with Amazon's changes. Amazon is always evolving, and keeping up with these changes will allow you to adapt your strategies and stay ahead of your competition. Regularly check Amazon's Seller Central news, join seller forums, watch YouTube videos like this one, look at blogs and join email lists that are sending out good email newsletters. Basically any way that you can keep up to date with the ever-changing marketplace that is Amazon, and really, I mean, the world news and the world economy and all that kind of stuff. Just try to stay in the loop with stuff, all right?
Exactly.
This constant learning and adaptability can be the difference between success and stagnation. So those are my 8 lesser known tactics on how to increase sales for your Amazon business. I hope you test around with these recommendations and find success. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.